This is a beautiful painting of birds. Andre Bauchant, Oiseaux, exotiques, and it's a painting by 1947, oil painting, Gallery Dina Vierny Paris. So I just wanted to put this in the difference between this and this one here. This is a miniature, and it is Conference l'Assemblée des Oiseaux by Habiballah. It was in 1486 at Herat, and Fletcher. So this is Conference of the Birds. You see, they thought in this story the birds speak to each other, and then you see there's the bad guy here. He's the bad one with the gun. So, it says that animals speak to each other. How poetic is that? Maybe they do speak to each other. We don't understand the language. You see? And this is from this book. I think this is so wonderful.